With a widespread October snowstorm in our recent past, I thought it would be neat to show you some of the forecast products we were looking at late last week to help foresee this rare event. The details came into focus late Thursday, about 36 hours ahead of time, and by Friday morning it was pretty clear that something very unusual was about to happen. The forecasts I'll show are from what we call the SREF, or Short Range Ensemble Forecast, a set of 21 forecasts from 4 slightly different models. Each model was run multiple times with slightly different starting conditions to get the 21 ensemble members. Here are those 21 forecasts made last Thursday evening. This is of accumulated liquid precipitation in State College. Though a couple of the solutions were really wet, producing more than 2 inches of liquid, most were in the 4 to 9/10 of an inch range. Now, 12 hours later on Friday morning, the story from those 21 ensemble models was similar. A few outliers predicting a really huge storm, but most still in the 5 to 9/10 inch liquid range, which seemed more realistic based on the expected track of the storm. Now, the blue color of the lines when they go up means the models were predicting mostly snow, and given the expected wetness of the snow, this suggested 3 to perhaps 7 inches would fall. Now, what supported this mostly snow forecast at a time of year when it's just not supposed to happen? Well, here's the SREF temperature forecast at 5,000 feet for the Northeast at 2 p.m. last Saturday. Now, each of the little maps is one of the 21 ensemble members, but we're going to zoom into the larger map down here, which shows the average or ensemble mean. Now, blue here means below freezing, and in this case, deep enough into the cold air to support snow in most of Pennsylvania, as long as temperatures near the ground weren't too high. Now, here's the ensemble mean forecast for temperatures a few feet above ground level on Saturday afternoon. Now, here, blue is in the 30s. This inner isotherm is 34, certainly cold enough for snowflakes not to melt. And here's what the temperature actually was at that time, pretty much right on the button. Meanwhile, the ensemble mean surface pressure pattern showed a storm just east of Ocean City, Maryland. The colors here indicate a large shield of precipitation to the north and west of the low. And though the details here weren't perfect, the model pretty much nailed the general idea of where the heaviest precipitation would fall. And we can see that in this other forecast from the SREF that shows the probability of 4 inches or more of snow during the day last Saturday. Orange and red is 70% or higher from Somerset, Franklin, and York counties all the way to Wayne, Monroe, and northern Bucks County. Now, here are some representative totals from the storm, and most of this fell during the day on Saturday. I've shaded in that zone with a 70% or higher chance of 4 inches plus. That's a pretty good match between forecasts and observations. Now, I should point out that these products are all computer forecasts. It's our job to extract some meteorological sense from them. In this case, though predicting such a widespread big snow in late October was unprecedented, the model message was strong and consistent enough to warrant the forecast. Paul Knight is back with our extended forecast next.